You know what we haven't done in a while? We haven't done a Hypebeast mystery box, I think, in maybe like 2 months now. It's been a very long time since we've done one. So it's probably time that we opened up another one, man. This is the box that I have for you guys today. I did not think that it was going to come personalized. That's kind of cool. Untied Hawaii's Hypebeast mystery box. Got a couple Supreme stickers on the outside, man. This one is actually going to be from Blazendary. I don't know if you guys have heard of Blazendary before. If you guys haven't, you've probably been living under a rock, man. Blazendary Hypebeast mystery box is coming up right after this. Aloha YouTube, what is up? Untied Hawaii here, coming at you with another video. In this video, we have a mystery box, a Hypebeast mystery box from Blazendary. So Blazendary is a YouTuber, probably the most successful Hypebeast YouTuber, man. I think he has like 1.6 million subscribers or something, like a ridiculous number, dude. And so I actually was like looking through his Instagram and stuff, and I saw that he was posting on his story that he's doing like Hypebeast mystery boxes now. On his store, I think it's like shopblazendary.com, he was selling them, and I think there was different price values of like $250, $500. Anyway, I decided to pick up the $500 box. I actually bought this box. It was not like gifted to me, and I didn't even know Blazendary like knew about the channel, man, because I did not think it was going to come in customized. That is super sick, man. It's actually super humbling that he actually watches the channel, because I did not know he knows who I am. Very excited about that. Very cool. Thank you for that, man. This one is going to be a $500 box though. I'm pretty sure you guys should actually check out his website now if you guys want. He's still doing mystery boxes, and I'm actually super excited to see what's inside here, man. Maybe a Supreme box logo. Not at $500, but we'll probably get some cool stuff in here, man. Let's see what we got. All right, so first things first, packed up nice and neat. Always appreciate good packing. Oh, so sick. And so this is cool, man. I always like the personalized stuff. You guys can check it out over here. Bryson, thank you for supporting at Blazendary. Keep grinding, bro. Blazendary.com. He even signed the sticker and stuff too, which is kind of cool. Very dope, man. Love the personalized stuff. Just adds a little bit more flavor and personality to it, you know, so that's cool. Alright, so the first thing that I see is we got a bunch of Supreme stickers. This one is like a beaver with grills. Life sucks. Gangsta Supreme. Okay. I don't know, man. This is probably why I stopped collecting Supreme stuff. 2 box logo stickers over here, though. We got some Barack Obama stickers with one missing. That's pretty funny, dude. I don't know. I don't really put stickers on anything, so this is like all extra for me. If that's supposed to be part of the value of the box, and that's cool, but yeah, for me, I don't really like sell stickers or anything, so I'm not sure how to like evaluate that, especially when like one is missing one Barack Obama. Okay, so first things first, I guess there's like shoes that come in this box. This one looks like it's a worn pair though, and it's a Nike Dunk High De La Soul. I think it's used, but it was like probably tried on once. You guys can see it over here. Check this out. This is the Nike Dunk High De La Soul. You guys can see it like has a like holographic kind of thing where it like changes depending on how you're like looking at it. So that's kind of sick. Colorway is very unique. No box though, but super clean. You guys can check that out. Good value there, I would think. For a $500 box, that's a pretty good pair of sneakers. Okay, next one out. What is this? The heck is this? Palace. Okay, so I guess this is like a Palace coin holder. You guys can see over here, you guys got that. And then yeah, this is like a coin holder kind of thing where you guys can put coins in like these pockets, which I guess that's kind of cool. But let's see what else we got in here. This one, what is this? Okay, some kind of like bait case, I guess, or bait pouch. Yeah, so just a standard like bathing ape pouch, brand new, unused. Classic Bape camo on top, and yeah, it looks like it's just a normal kind of pouch thing. So I'm sure there's pretty good value here. Bathing ape stuff is not cheap, and there's actually a decent resale market for most of this stuff, so that's where this will be going. Okay, last thing that we have in here is a looks like we have like a Supreme Fruits tee. This one is in green, in a size medium, and yeah, brand new, still in the bag. Not sure what the value of this is either, but that's all we got in here, guys. That's actually it. I don't know how the value is. For 500 bucks, I guess it wasn't too bad, and there was like good diversity and stuff too, right? There was a pair of shoes, we got the bait bag, we got the Supreme t-shirt, couple stickers and stuff, like Palace. That was actually a lot of diversity, man. We got like everything from different companies and stuff, which was kind of cool. I'm not sure in terms of like resale these things are worth it or not, but it was kind of cool to open up and just to see what we got going for like, I guess, a 500 tier box. So that's what you guys can expect if you guys are gonna look to buy boxes from his shop. I always love opening up these boxes to show you guys different examples of what you guys can get. So that's kind of like a quick glance of what the potential is for a Hypebeast mystery box from Blazendary. I'm definitely looking at it and like unbiased opinion and stuff. I don't know if it's worth it for like resellers kind of stuff. But if you guys are looking for like a cool Hypebeast mystery box sent from like one of your favorite YouTubers, then I think that is where you will get like the most value and stuff, man. But my own personal opinion, like terms of profit and stuff, I'm not sure about that. So go down to the comments below and let me know what you guys think. I always love hearing you guys' opinions on these things. And I haven't done a Hypebeast mystery box in a while, so you guys should let me know as well if you guys want to start seeing more on the channel again. I've been sticking way more with like the sneaker mystery boxes, which should have been way more fun for me, dude. Sneakers are where it's at. Hypebeast stuff is cool, Bathing Ape, Supreme, Off-White, but man, it's just super expensive, and I just feel like, I don't know, it's like a weird market, you know? Like Supreme is like hard to move nowadays. There's not very much resale value, and just the designs and stuff aren't really for me. Maybe I'll start getting the palettes or something a little bit more, but for now, I'm happy with just doing sneaker mystery boxes, but I will definitely open up more if you guys want to see more on the channel. So let me know in the comments below. If you guys are new here, feel free to subscribe down below. Also, don't forget to hit the like button on this video. And until next time, guys, stay humble, stay blessed, take care. I will see you on the next video. Aloha. Shoots.